Welcome designers and entrepreneurs. Firstly, I wanted to say thank you to Christopher Andow for sharing the solution for all of us iPhone users. Once Photopea is open, you're going to go to File, then you're going to click Open, then you're going to click on Browse. Then you're going to browse on your phone to go look for the 3D mockup, and you're going to wait for it to load. Then you're going to click on Layer on top, and you're going to select Smart Object. Then you're going to click Open. And then once it's open, you go to the layer on the side and you hide text. You click on Layer again to hide the layer. Then you click on File and you open and place, and then you go look for your 2D logo. Then you adjust your 2D logo to suit the way that you want it to look. Then you click on 3D glass logo, the mockup, and it loads the mockup. Then you click on your logo once, and then you go File, Save as Smart Object, and then you wait for the tool to convert the 2D logo to a smart object, and then it converts. Then you click on 3D logo for the logo to be converted to 3D. Yeah, iPhone users, have fun with this. I've tried it a couple of times and it works. So you have to be patient because, as I said before, with the iPhone, sometimes it takes time and it works, but you need to be patient with iPhone. Otherwise, go to a computer or Android. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.